In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your microphone is not working on your Samsung Galaxy. So whether your microphone's not working in a specific app or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is load up the settings on your phone. You could then scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. You then need to scroll down and click on More Privacy Settings, then scroll down again and click on Permission Manager. Now select Microphone from the list, and the first thing we need to do is make sure the app we're trying to use has microphone permissions. So just go and scroll down this list until you see the app that you're having issues with. So let's say my microphone is not working in Google Chrome. I can go and select it from the list. And where it says microphone access for this app, make sure it's set to allow only while using the app, and then you can come back out of this window and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then head back over to the main settings page. You can then click on connections at the top of this page and go and try turning off your Bluetooth and then just pressing turn off. Sometimes it can be the case that if you're connected to another Bluetooth device, this can actually cause your microphone to not work. Now, if it's still not working, you may need to go and power cycle the device. So to do that, tilt your Samsung phone onto its side like this, and you need to hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, and you need to keep holding them down for around about 45 seconds. Eventually, the screen's going to go completely black, and just continue to hold these buttons down. As soon as you see the Samsung logo appear on your phone, that's when you can go and release these two buttons. You can then wait for your phone to restart, and that should have now fixed the microphone issue.